Oh, bloody brilliant. Bloody brilliant tailor. What type of... Yeah. Alright. Ooh, beauty. That moon right there, full moon. It is morning, the sun's coming up, and I'm at a spot called Guilderton, More River, Western Australia. It's about 80 k's north of Perth. My intended species, obviously, is fish. I'm going fishing. I'm going to be going for tailor. There's no one out here, so I'm a bit worried that maybe there's none around. But look, no more theories, we're going to get into it. Very simple rig, 3 gang hooks, one of these big sinkers. It's not much surf. I'll do some lures later on and put some bait on it, soak it. Let's go and do it. So that's the bait I'll be using. Just got the 3 gangs. Showing you this before, it's nice and simple. Just trim the tail off, I prefer. Throw it in the water and let's go. I just hope there isn't too much of this stuff weed, because that can definitely ruin a fishing trip. You'll be wasting too much time trying to get that weed off your hooks and your rigs. It doesn't look like there's any weed out here, but you just never know. Right. Very excited, got the wind behind me. That's a nice cast. A few birds. I love seeing birds around where you want to fish. Oh no! There we go. Just got me jocks wet again. Can't stand that early morning. Okay. See any fish, mate? Hope so. Yeah, they're just eating me burley. Yeah, view. Spot on. So I'm getting little nibbles. Oh, I suppose it's probably a herring or big whiting. Hope there's a few tailor. Another one. Should use the smaller rod. It's in the car. Hang on. We got one, or was it weed? Bit of weight. No, it's a fish. Ooh, there's a fish. There's a fish, alright. Stuck in the weed. Yeah, it's definitely a fish that's moving around. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, bloody brilliant. Bloody brilliant tailor. What typing? Yeah, I'm typing. Alright. You beauty. Pointless cast it out. Should definitely use a lighter outfit. Oh look, that's a nice one. It's probably about 32 centimetres. It actually looks quite skinny. Alright, that's a little tailor. It's not going to break any records. I better measure him up just to be on the safe side. Alright, mate. Yeah, look, he's gone 33. So beautiful, absolutely stoked. Lovely tailor. Now I read an article saying that once the tailor on the bite, they sort of stay in that same area. So you got to be quick about it, because they do move off. You got to keep them interested. They move in packs. quickly cast out. Now, that was it very close in. I'll downsize the sinker later on. There you go, look, just flick it. Not even 20 metres. I should have used my smaller rod, but I was just worried that it would have been too much weed and I would have lost a few things. Now I did burley up before, put in a few muleys in the water, chopped them into little pieces. Hopefully that brings all the fish in, the scent, the action. Righto. Yoo-hoo! This is the life. There we go. Come on, Tyler. Here's another one. Let's show that it wasn't a fluke. There you go. Sun's coming up just over the dunes. Brilliant. Oh, a couple of bites already. There you go. Oh, what a fight. Coming up to the surf. Man, this tailor, he just feels good. Feels really good. I want to use the rod to try and get him out of the surf. Absolutely great fun. Must be my PB. Woohoo! Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right, so that's what we're talking about. I mean, that is, I've got to measure him up, but he's about, there's about 45, I measure him up. That there is a beautiful tailor. Absolutely stoked. I'm not going to waste your time and see if there's any more out there. Lovely. Let's do it. Woo! I should definitely use lures. It'll be a lot quicker than bait. There you go. Nope. Yeah, so this wind behind me is really good. It's about the same cast as the last one with the heavier weight. Took a while to work out if I had a fish or not. It's not that big. Okay, it's a bit more weight now. A bit more weight. Oh yeah. It's amazing that they bite and they must come towards you and there's not much weight. As soon as I realise that, oh, there he is, there's a splash. Yeah, he's a good size, I think. Be careful not to lose him. Yeah, he's another good one. Not as big as the other one. Okay, beautiful tailor. Once again, not a massive one, but it's definitely size. Awesome. Here we go. Tailor from Guilderton Beach on a Saturday morning. Go again. Bang. I'm surprised there's tailor here. It's a very low tide in the morning. You saw it was a full moon last night. I'm just glad there's not much weed out here at all. In fact, there's nothing at all. And I think the theory works that they just come in the morning and the afternoons. Got lucky on the spot. Haven't been here for years. Did my research. Very isolated. You can see there is no one fishing next to me. In the distance there's about 10 people, but here I am king of the castle. King of the castle. Or the ocean. Again, I felt the bite, but I spat it. Yeah, I'm getting a bit lazy. When you feel that bite, you need a strike. Man, got it. Could have been a herring. All right. Yeah, they did it again. Oh, I see that fish jumping out of the water. Might be time for lures. There you go, yeah. Oh, herring. Big herring. Big herring. I just knew they weren't tailor because I was like tap, tap, tap and pull. But that's still a nice fish. Foul hooked. He'll be right. Big bite, this one. This is a good tailor, this one. Oh, I just, I don't know if you saw that, he splashed on the surface. Okay. Oh, he spat it. Ah. He spat it, that was a good one. Spat it. Oh, man. Righto. So I downsized the gang hooks. I'm using real small pieces of muley. I think it's just a herring. Got a bit of weight. Not really biting too much. Here we go. Yeah. This is the worst part. Yeah, so it's a herring. There we go. Nice plump herring too. Nice pump one, fat one. If we're getting desperate for bait, I will fillet these and put them on the gangs, but well, that's a big one. There you go, foul hooked him. Lovely. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I reckon the tail have already gone off the bite. That's why it's important to get out here nice and early, especially in the summertime. 4:30, 5 o'clock. Right, so it's probably my second last bit of bait on these smaller gang hooks. I might move on to lures. It's getting a bit late for tailor now. It's starting to warm up. The only try. Got a few more herring. Great session. Really can't complain. I've got a nice emu export in the car I'm going to grab when I change this to a smaller rig. Definitely going to enjoy that. 7:15 in the morning. I reckon I deserve it. Okay, looks like I've got a herring. Still a few somersaults out there in the water. Pretty spectacular. Mind you, they are small. Great fun. I mean, and they're good size too. Good size, good eating. Obviously the tailor off the bite. Nice herring. Cheers. Alright, so made it back to the car and I'm just absolutely full of this fine white sand out of here. Alright, so let's have a look at what we caught. Mixed bag of nice fat plump herring under Tailor was what I came out here for. It's 44 centimetres. Another one 31 and I was 32. So all in all, bloody rip of a day. Anyway people, I'm out of here. Had a great time out here. Trick about Tailor, you've got to get here early in the morning or even early at the sunset. Prime times, the bite can be quick, get into it. Had a great time. Anyway, see you next time, take it easy.